Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ducette. Today's video is going to be a MacBook Pro unboxing video. So I've had the MacBook since Tuesday, but I've been waiting to open it because I wanted to film this unboxing video for you guys. So I have some accessories that I bought from Amazon that I'm also going to be showing in this video as well. And then I'm going to be customizing my MacBook just a little bit. Like, I've watched a lot of MacBook unboxing videos, like so many, because when I want something, I'm going to like research the hell out of it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and if you're thinking of buying a MacBook, and if this video was helpful for you. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. Oh, okay. So I'm so excited. So I got the newest MacBook Pro, the 2020, like the newest version, and it's the 13-inch MacBook Pro, and it has I believe 8 gigabytes of memory and 265 gigabytes of, or 256 gigabytes of storage. I look so chic and so, ooh. I got it in space gray. I think everybody gets the MacBook Pro in space gray. How do I don't want to like ruin the box, but I think so. You guys can see. So I'm just gonna cut it open. Ooh, ooh. There we go. All right, so let's go ahead and open it. So there it is. So I didn't actually buy my MacBook from like the Apple Store one, because I thought if I bought it from the Apple Store, I would be able to get it like immediately, because I ordered this in like the beginning of September, but their delivery date was like so far out, and I couldn't go to my nearest Apple Store and like just pick it up, or just go buy it there. So I bought it from this place called PC Richardson. Here, I'll put it in the description box, and it was cheaper and it got to me quicker. So yeah, brand spanking new. I don't even want to touch it because I don't want to like get my fingerprints on it. So there it is. Oh, it's actually like lighter than I thought it would be. But so the box just comes with the laptop, of course. I'll just put that right there, and then it comes with the charging cable. It just comes with, put this right here. And then it comes with the it comes with stickers. So these are the little stickers. I guess this is like a manual of how to use it and stuff. So this one does have touch bar and touch ID. I don't really think I'm going to use the touch ID, because I don't even use the like face ID for my, or the thumb ID for my phone. I just don't think it's necessary. Like, I can just put in my passcode and my password. So then this is a little box that you use to charge with. Just take that out. Pretty sleek. Just gonna go ahead and put the box and the charging cable back, and we're gonna open the MacBook and see, oopsies, see how it looks like inside. So let me take this off. Oh, so it's automatically turning on. So there we go. Before we go ahead and customize the MacBook and everything, I'm going to show you guys some accessories that I got to go with the MacBook. So the first thing I actually bought when I bought the MacBook, the first accessory I bought when I bought the MacBook is this USB-C to digital AV multi-port adapter. So if you guys know or may not know, the new MacBook Pros, I think like after 2015, they stopped having HDMI cords in there. And so my TV in my living room is a smart TV, so I don't really need like an HDMI cord, but the TV in my bedroom is just a regular TV, so it's not a smart TV, so like if I want to watch like Netflix or something, I have to plug my computer up to the TV with the HDMI cord. So I made sure to get this because this multi-port has a section where you can plug in your HDMI cord right there. This was $70, I believe, and I bought it on the same website as I bought the MacBook, and it was the first thing I bought just because. Yeah, it also has like a place to charge your phone. Ports are different on the newer MacBook Pro than they're on the older ports. Like they have the different, I think it's USB-C instead of USB-A or whatever. So you will need like adapters and stuff like that for the newer MacBook if you're thinking about buying it. So I would recommend buying this along with the MacBook. And also if you're somebody that like edits videos and stuff like that, it doesn't have a SD like reader where you can insert your SD card, so you have to buy an adapter for that, or you have to buy this. And if you already have an SD adapter, like my camera came with an SD card adapter, I can just plug it onto here and plug it onto my MacBook. So this was a really good buy. And then here's my knife. I bought some things from Amazon that just came today, which was perfect because I was planning on filming this video today. Carrying case for it, and then it has a lot of space where I can put like the charging cable and like my adapters or anything else. So it has a lot of space. There's a pocket right here as well, and then you just put the MacBook in there. So that's something else I got. And then the last accessory I got is case for my MacBook. Is just focusing. It is like a world map, so it comes with like this to put on the keyboard. It's like a world map, which I just think is so cute. And then they don't have a lot of cute like MacBook Pro cases on Amazon. Like I was looking for like 3 days straight, and then when I do find something that I like, they didn't have it for the newer model that I wanted, so it's kind of frustrating. So this is the front, and then this is the back. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put it on. Oh, and it also has a screen protector, which I really need this because I don't want to mess up my screen or get fingerprints on it or anything like that. So even on my like iPhone, my iPhone never goes without a case or a screen protector because them things are fragile. And I've never, knock on wood, never broken my screen from my iPhone because it always has a thick ass case on it. Always. So it just doesn't come with instructions or anything, but I think I've seen a lot of people do it, and I think it's pretty self-explanatory. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. All right, let's go ahead and put the case on the laptop. Ew, I already have like fingerprints on it, of course, because that's what I would do. So you just click it in place at the bottom, and then you just click this in place, I'm thinking. So there we go. It's my case. Oops. Oh, you have to really click it in place. There we go. So you also have the option to set up like your screen in dark mode, light mode, or auto, like you would on your phone. So I like dark mode on my phone, so I'm gonna put dark mode on my MacBook. Go ahead and select the dark mode, and then click continue. I didn't set up Touch ID because, like I said, I don't like using that. I'm almost done setting it up. I just had to set up like my Apple ID, and like if I wanted like my credit card stored on here, my iCloud backed up, all the other stuff that you have to do when you're doing a Mac. It's just like setting up your phone, honestly. It's like the same exact thing. So this is how it looks like. I'm gonna change the screensaver to the screensaver I have on my phone right now, which is always my little sister. So I'm gonna change that later. And honestly, that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this MacBook Pro unboxing video. And if you were thinking about getting a MacBook, or you want to get a MacBook, I hope this video was helpful to you. I will put all the links below to all the accessories that I bought from Amazon. I will put the direct link from Apple to the exact same laptop I got, and I'll also put the direct link to where I bought my MacBook. I will see you guys in my next one. Stay fly and stay beautiful.